Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. It's still cold outside. 1 inch of snow on Tuesday. Who the heck cares about Tuesday? Why is the computer telling me that it's going to be snowing on Tuesday? Today's Thursday, man. They don't know what it's going to be doing on Tuesday. Oh my gosh. We got Kombu first in the chat. Nick F second in the chat. What's going on, Nick F? What's going on, Kombu? We got Kenneth, Kombu, Frank, Outdoor, Kombu, Outdoor. Tim, hopefully you're feeling better, Tim. How are you today? We got Frank, Kombu, Tim. We got Kombu, Gorilla, Tim, Kombu, Richard, Kombu, Gorilla, Kombu, Tim. Hey! Thank you very much for the green name, man. Tim throwing out a green name, and Will Major grabbing that green name there. I like it, man. I like it. Will, he might be a little newer, but he's very active in the chat. I like it right now. Will Major grabbing that green name. Tim, thank you very much for that. And let's see if Will does say thank you for it. We got Will, Kombu, Tim, Gorilla, Kombu, Outdoor, Tim, Gorilla, Moji, Next Level, Moji, Kombu, Next Level, Ken Bro. We got Tim, Devin, Kombu, and Next Level. Glad to have all of you guys in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on so far today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $5.31 at the close. All-time low? Yes. All-time low today. Ticking down, touching this 525 intraday all-time low. Closing it an all-time low, 5% lower today, $5.31. This is the equivalent, guys, of 50 cents a share on AMC Entertainment. If you would have told me in 2021 that AMC was going to be 50 cents, I probably would have laughed at you, man. I didn't think retail investors would let it get that low. But Adam Aron single-handedly destroying retail investors. Shiba Inu coin is treading water again. Back up above that 1,000 point per coin mark. Looking very good there at 1,004 points per coin. Not a ton of action, but really trying to get back above what was resistance and hopefully now becomes support at 1,000 points per coin again. GameStop sitting at 1635, down 2% of the day today. Bitcoin, man, Bitcoin ripping up through 44,000, running all the way to 44.7 in 2 minutes. Back down to 44,000, bouncing off of it, trying to figure out where it's going right now. We could get a nice big green candle. We could get a nice purple candle all the way back down to 44,000 here. We're going to have to see how that plays out right there. NASDAQ getting hit pretty hard today, 0.5% decline there. You got the NASDAQ sitting at 14,510 points. You got Dogecoin, 8.4 cents. Ethereum, 22.83. Shib, 1,004 points per coin. Bitcoin, 44,397. It's trying, guys. SPY sitting at 467. QQQ, 396. You got Mullen Auto, 12 cents, up just 0.24% today. Sundial sitting at $1.58. Netflix, 474. Highcroft Mining, 232. You got MPW, $5 flat. Tesla sitting at 237, man. Tesla treading water today, falling off into the close there, $237.93. Amazon getting hit a little bit today, $2.63% lower, a $3.90 loss, not $3.90%. That doesn't make any sense. Apple sitting at $181.91. Apple losing pretty good today as well. 1.27% lower on the day. We're going to watch Bitcoin, however, play out on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Hopefully we get some green, but we might have some purple. So we're going to keep our eyes on it. Wow, nerded all the women out of here. That we did, Tim. That we did. It's all right, though, man. They'll come back. At least I hope. Hello, y'all. Devin, what's going on? We got KB Kombu. Oh, KB for Ken Bro. That must be what it is, Kombu. Very cool. It's 60 degrees here in Cocoa Beach, Florida. Dude, it's 27 degrees here and cloudy. Next level. Be very happy that it's a very cold 60 degrees down there in Cocoa Beach, man. Because you could be sitting here with 27 degree weather. Yeah, try going outside in that. It's cold, but it can get colder. Feeling great. Jim Beam, hot toddies, and Green Death NyQuil. Fixed everything. Oh, shoot, man. If it fixes everything, I like it, Tim. And don't forget that homemade rooster soup. That homemade rooster noodle soup did the trick as well. I'm sure that's what puts you over the edge, man. Beam, been flagging all day. We didn't pull up Beam in the last stream. We got ourselves a little bit of a Beam stream going on here. Let's see where Beam's at, man. Everything running nicely today. Hopefully Beam's running nicely as well. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at the 1-day gain in Beam. 36%. 2.3 cents. Oh, I was going to say all-time highs, but no, 2.6 cents, 2.7 cents. All-time highs here. Wow, man. Just in the last, is this a week? No, dude, it's not even a week. This is a day? Holy smokes, man. This is the daily action going from 1.7 cents. That's where you get the 35% gain here. 1.6, 1.7 cents. Up to 2.25 cents. 36% gain since the lows yesterday. Phenomenal, man. Oh my gosh, dude. Now, we know that this price action could be very volatile, so do be careful with it. If anybody gets spooked on Beam or any of these other cryptos, worried about ETFs again, you could see a very quick drop-off. But it is insane to see how fast the cryptocurrency market recovered from yesterday's lows. That'll do it, Tim. Hi, all. What's going on, Kai? Glad to have you in here right now. 8-ball question. Shiba hits 700 again before it hits 1,500. Will Shiba Inu coin hit 700 points per coin before it hits 1,500 points per coin? It says yes, but what's it say before that? Signs point to yes, Tim. Signs point to yes, that Shiba Inu coin will be hitting 700 points per coin before Shiba Inu coin is hitting 1,500 points per coin. So definitely keep your eyes on that one, man. Toodles! See if that brings. It might. Toodles! Toodles to Pudge! Toodles to Kai! We got them all in here. Roth and the long-term retirement report, or no, the retirement long-term. Oh my gosh, dude. Yes, the Roth and the long-term retirement portfolio combined to close the day up. Well, dude, hey, Frank, that's still very good, man. Up 0.05% when the market was down 0.5% today. Not bad at all, man. Today's top stock. Number 1, Horizon. Number 2, MPY. Today's champion of the portfolio again. Well, I know that Coney was not the champion of the portfolio yesterday or the day before. It was down pretty big there. But very, very nice with Coney gains there. Amazon or AMZY shares down 11 to open up Netflix shares up 15. All right, moving around the oh my gosh, why can't I, the Yield Max ETFs there, moving around. I like it, Frank. Frank, does Amazon have a higher dividend, or Netflix have a higher dividend? Where's Netflix on that page? Oh, right there. Oh yeah, 80 cents compared to the 37 cents. Dang, dude. 80-cent dividend compared to the 37-cent dividend right there. I don't know what the percentage gain is on each one of those, but Netflix does have a very nice dividend. Man, we were freezing, Clay. Next level. You're not freezing at 60 degrees, man. No. You go outside with no shirt on at 60 degrees. 21 light snow here in Duluth, Minnesota. Yeah, Richard, basically what we got going on, we got a little bit of flakes out there, but 27 degrees is what we got going on right now. Got hit by a snowstorm coming up I-77 this morning. Kai. Well, hopefully you're, dude, you know how to drive in the snow. You're good. I ain't even got to worry about it. Hopefully the road conditions were okay. Let's put it that way. Kai, I was blowing sideways on my way into work this morning. Felt like I was hitting hyperspace in the Millennium Falcon. Yay, winter. Dang, dude. Well, so... yeah, nobody likes driving in the snow. Let's just put it that way. You guys be careful if you're getting into some bad weather out there. What do you think of Kronos? Outlaw, I like Kronos. Okay, I really do. Yes, I know you're going to ask. I do believe that Kronos can get back up to that dollar mark. Yes, I believe that Kronos is cheap in this 10-cent range. It is possible, okay, that we go back down to that 4 or 5 cent range. I believe that's an absolute possibility. Because I think that there's a good chance that the ETFs do not get approved for Bitcoin, and that the SEC is talking some nonsense once again. So because that's a possibility, I still think that we could see some lower prices here. But knowing that cryptocurrency should stick around, and that Crypto.com or Kronos can see such an increase in active users, I believe that the price of Kronos or Crypto.com coin can absolutely rise again. Now, will we see right away? Will we see the 2021 level of usage? Maybe not, man. But I do believe when we get back up there, the price of Chronos is going to be back up there as well. Oh, business meeting, gotcha. I don't even know what we're talking about right now. Next, when it hits the 90s and high humidity here, we drop. We don't drop that bad, man. But 90s is very hot. So this is the time of year it can rub beautiful, sunny, warm weather in your snowbound faces. Moji that it is. But remember, when it's like 80 degrees out, beautiful, sunny, you could easily go outside and just enjoy it. And it's like 150 degrees in Arizona, and you're dying because you can't escape the heat day or night. Yeah, man. Remember, we're going to be rubbing it in your face there, too. Yeah, he brought up some very valid points on things I should work on, which was good, but he pretty much called honorarium trash and said he appreciates my drive, and he hopes we get there. Dang, who we talking about on that one, man? Why would honorarium be trash, dude? What the heck? I have a great car, a media, car, medical and life insurance. Either way, it's going to work out. That it will, man. Funny how people whine when the temperature gets to 68, yet they complain if the AC is set above 65. Dude, you guys let your house get down to 65 degrees? That's cold. That's cold house, man. Deadpool red suit loving Cardano right now. I haven't looked at Cardano in a while, so let's see where Cardano is sitting at the moment. We've got Cardano sitting at 57.5 cents. Not bad at all. It's down on the week still. Has not recovered from yesterday's decline. Has not fully recovered there. That's interesting, knowing a lot of the other coins have recovered fully. On the year, though, still looking very, very good. Going from 25-cent lows to the current 57 cents that it's at. I would watch out, though, knowing it hasn't recovered and that it could be curling over from this recent rally. I would just be a little cautious with it because the first real level of support you're going to get, 45 cents, and that's a steep decline from 57. And then below that, man, you're watching like 38 to 40 cents. So be careful on it. If it falls through that, which I don't know if it will or not, but you get all the way back down to 25 cents. So just be very careful. Cardano going on a nice run over the last couple of months, but does seem as though it wants to curl back over at the moment. That's the only thing I'd be watching for. Definitely things I need to work on, but I did give valid information. Very good, Dark Bro. I like it. Puerto Rico bound in February. Supposed to be like 85 down there. I need a vacation. Ken Bro, man. Absolutely enjoy it. Puerto Rico's got... Dude, these winter vacations like that, they gotta be beautiful, man. Thoughts on LimeWire? Oh, Russell. We haven't looked at LimeWire in quite some time, dude. I don't know if LimeWire is ever gonna make it. Right, I don't know if LimeWire is anything other than a meme coin that brings back some nostalgia of the good old days, okay? I don't know if you're ever going to see like $1 billion plus coin here. I hope you do, but it's 23% gain on the 24-hour period. Very nice. Let's see if it dropped yesterday, though. And it did. So you get that 23% gain that is basically bringing you back to where it was yesterday. With that being said, you're sitting at 42 cents right now. On the month, beautiful gains from about 23 cents all the way up to 42 cents, a 50% gain there. But since being released, okay, fell heavily here. The only thing I noticed though, this is an interesting chart. So, came up in November and tested this 50 cent level, 45 cents right here. Coming up and testing that exact same level right now. So this is what I would kind of think about that. It got rejected on this resistance before November. November, right? Yeah. If it gets rejected again, you're most likely to come back down and test 20, possibly even come back down and test like 5 to 10 cents again. If it breaks, though, if it breaks to the upside, there's no resistance. With as fast as this fell after launch, there's no technical resistance on the chart beyond 45 cents. And a $21 million market cap is still very low. It could absolutely rip back up to these $2 levels. But I don't know if they got anything going on that really would justify it. Simply more than a meme coin move. So keep your eye on it, absolutely. But know that this was support on the way down. Tapped it, fell through. Couldn't break, and we're trying to break today. So if it does break back up above 45 cents, you're in very, very good shape. If it doesn't, of course, I would be not scared, but I would be cautious if it pulled back all the way down to that 20-25 cent area. Which one's your favorite? Lunker Shib. Oh boy, Thug, man. Terra Luna Classic and Shiba Inu coin, they're both different, right? Going for more of like a lottery ticket type of play, I believe Terra Luna Classic has more potential if it can revitalize its I don't know, ecosystem, or revitalize kind of the like the stable coin and everything that they're trying to do, and make its own essentially financial system. Shiba Inu coin, on the other hand, dude, Shiba Inu coin is second to none in terms of worldwide community. Shib has a huge support base. So I like them for different reasons, man. I do. Terra Luna Classic's market cap is lower. I believe it's got higher pop potential. But Shiba Inu coin, dude, it would be very difficult for Shiba Inu coin to ever die out because it's got more support than some of the major players in the game, like Ethereum. So Shib is very important, and Shib is very strong in terms of community commitment. Terra Luna Classic's got that just crazy potential there. Let's see. 11th ACR. I know I missed something. He said that I should have had a better roadmap in explaining how and what we plan to achieve, which I do, but it could be worded a little bit better. But I'm planning on revamping it because things have happened quicker than I expected. But he did pretty much say that it was trash and that he would never tell anyone to invest in it and wouldn't show it in any of his followers. That's a little strange though, man. That's a little strange because, yeah, look, I'm not going to tell anybody to buy it either. Everybody here is going to make their own decisions. I'm not even going to tell you to go out and buy Bitcoin, right? You guys are going to make your own decisions on what you do and do not want to buy. But very interesting to call a meme coin trash, dude, or just call a coin trash. I don't know. That's very strange to me. I mean, I don't know, dude. That doesn't sit right. Sure, you're not going to go out there and revitalize some financial system, but who in the crypto space really is? You know, XRP, at its base, XRP is nothing either. But Ripple is using XRP to facilitate cross-border transactions. XRP doesn't do anything with that. So, yeah, I don't know, man. That's a little bit of a weird outlook on it, I guess. Tim went to Oasis Elementary School in the late 80s. Now, I know I'm missing the conversation. Frank and Tim, they must know each other. It's all good, Dark Bro. I don't know his brand new coin. Still a lot of work to do, bro. Absolutely, man. And don't let anybody discourage you. Can Cybria hit an $8.8 billion market cap in the next bull run since it's a layer 2 and an AI project? Russell, I mean, yeah, it absolutely could, dude. With Shiba Inu coin sitting around that $6 to $7 billion mark, it's not going to be easy for something like Cybria to jump up to $1 billion in valuation. But, I mean, I'd be a fool to sit here and say, no, it absolutely cannot. After seeing what Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin can do, man, in such a short period of time, after seeing what things like Pepe and Bonk can do, if something starts to roll, sometimes there's no stopping it. There's no logic that can stop it. So, yes, Cybria can reach those levels. I don't know where it's at right now. I know it's still fairly low, but is it CBR? Nope. CYBA. $7 million market cap, dude. It's not going to be easy to 1000x to an $8 billion market cap from an $8 million market cap, but it's not impossible either. We have seen so many projects do it that it really wouldn't be fair to say that that's something that's impossible. Now, it is also true that it could come right back down to these levels and you could be getting it for 90% discounts. So it is something that goes both ways. But yeah, dude, you can't say anything doesn't have the potential to rip up, man. Shiba Inu coin ripped to $40-50 billion when it had nothing going for it. It was just a meme. Dogecoin, same deal, man. Dogecoin ripped up to even higher valuations, and it's just a meme. So if a community forms around Cybria here, Yes, it absolutely could do it. Maybe because I don't want Tim saying anything else negative. Yeah, absolutely, guys. Let's see here. So many people are going to try and fudge your project, Dark Bro. Just take the constructive criticism and use it to improve. Yeah, and you know what, guys? Look, I don't know. Just because somebody doesn't like something doesn't mean that you can't buy it. Doesn't mean that you can't do what you want with it. Literally, every single cryptocurrency out there, whether you're talking about honorarium or you're talking about Bitcoin itself, there's zero intrinsic value, right? I mean, there's no denying that. It is only worth what people are willing to spend on it. So if you're worried about somebody saying that honorarium doesn't have value, what? So what? Bitcoin doesn't have value, man. Shib doesn't have literally the US dollar does not have value. It's only a psychological value and a speculative value that people put on these things. I mean, if you're looking at my house, right? Yes, houses have value. They do have intrinsic value. And some houses are bigger, some houses are smaller, some houses are nicer, some houses are worse off. But if you look at its intrinsic value, man, it's a roof over my head. That's it. Then you turn it into a home, man. You start to build your own fundamental value with it. And I tell you right now, man, my house might be worth more to me than it is to you. Same deal for you guys, man. Your memories, your house might be worth more to you than it is to me. Intrinsic value is a very, very funny thing. Even gold, man. Gold at $2,000 an ounce. Is gold really worth $2,000 an ounce? No, man. It's a good conductor of electricity. Okay. It's a very soft metal. It's shiny. Great, dude. There's a lot of shiny things out there. So the intrinsic value of gold is that it's soft and malleable, and that it can conduct electricity, and it's shiny, and people like shiny things. So is that worth $2,000 an ounce? No, it is absolutely not. So yeah, man, don't worry about what people say. It's all right. Let's see. I did tell him one of the innovative technologies was us partnering with Ball, and he was like, oh, that's not utility. Dude, oh my God, dude, who the heck cares about utility, man? Like I just got done saying, there's no such thing as cryptocurrency utility. Oh boy. Had not eaten. Mission. Oh, there he is. Let's see. Hey. If you had not eaten your your Coinbase, would you swap it with something else, or would you put it in your Coinbase wallet? Trying to get out of having Coinbase. Suggestions. Oh, maybe saying not eaten. I was like, okay. If you had Coinbase, would you swap it with something else or put it in Coinbase wallet? Trying to get out of Coinbase. I think that's what you mean, Mission Impossible, man. I think that's what you mean. Not eating Coinbase. I don't know if that makes any sense. Look, I currently do not hold anything on Coinbase. I am going to be using Coinbase to burn Shiba Inu coin. I do hold on Crypto.com. I've got some assets on Crypto.com. I use Crypto.com to buy. I have the majority of my stuff on Trust Wallet. Okay, it's a DeFi wallet. At this point, though, okay, it's going to be up to you. Coinbase at the moment seems to be fine. If you plan on actively trading, yeah, I would stay on. Let's put it this way, you can make your own decisions. If I planned on actively trading, I would probably keep my stuff on Coinbase. If I wanted to quickly add or cash out, I would keep my stuff on Coinbase, okay? I'd be fine with that. At this point in time, Coinbase's stock is looking excellent, okay? The cryptocurrency market is doing much, much better than it was at the end of 2022. And it doesn't seem as though, right? Now, they could be fudging some numbers. They could be lying. They could be doing all of that stuff like corrupt companies do. Not saying they are, but it doesn't seem as though they're in any financial trouble at the moment. Now, the SEC could turn them upside down. You always have the risk of some stupid regulation coming along and putting a wrench into things. So that if you are concerned about that, I'm not concerned about it at the moment. Like I said, I don't hold on Coinbase. I do hold some on crypto.com. If you're worried about the SEC coming in, or if you're worried about that specific company going bankrupt or whatever, I would not hold on there. It's not worth the convenience. Now, let me say that, dude. I trusted Voyager, right? Why? Well, I didn't have to trust Voyager. I was simply holding on there, and it was an absolute mistake, okay? I got basically, like 35% of our money back on the first round of Voyager there. I have no hopes of getting the rest of that money back. So to me, it's not worth the risk if you were in the least bit uneasy about holding on a centralized exchange. Coinbase wallet should be no different than Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Coinami, dude. You can go out there and name your wallet. When you do that, when you hold it on a DeFi wallet like that, you are holding it on the blockchain, not on a centralized exchange. So the difference is that Coinbase can't help you if you forget your password. If you lose your keys to that crypto, it's gone, man. It's gone. So you do have to be very, very, I guess, diligent about how you store your seed phrase, where you store it. Literally just write it down, man. Don't forget where that piece of paper's at, whatever. Carve it into a tree and then go find that tree 10 years from now. You'll always have access to the blockchain. Unless, of course, every single miner or every single staker leaves the game and that blockchain dies. I highly doubt that's going to happen. But, if you go to Coinbase wallet, it ain't no different than Trust Wallet and so on. You can open a Trust Wallet at that point. You can open a Coinami at that point. You can open a MetaMask at that point and still have access to the blockchain if you know your seed phrase. So I would say with that, though, you got risks. Okay, if you're out there just, oh my gosh, let me attach my wallet to this website. Let me attach my wallet to this website. And then if you store your passphrase on your phone, and I don't know how much money you got either, but if somebody steals your phone or if somebody hacks your phone and you got a picture of your password right there, they got your password, dude, and that's all they need to drain it. That's all they need to drain it, man. With all of that being said, it is still your decision what you want to do with it. I have ETH, and I want to know if I should swap it or put my Coinbase wallet or just sell it. Mission Impossible, or Mission Impossible, dude, it's still going to be up to you. I mean, if you're sitting on Ethereum right now, I would say, I think I already went through that. It doesn't really matter what coin you're talking about. If you think it's expensive, if you're holding too much, shave it down a little bit. I do think that Ethereum can go higher in the future, though, so it's completely up to you. JJ, thank you very much for the diamond. JJ says, you know what time it is? It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. JJ, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. And see, JJ comes back, man, and he sent me 2 diamonds in like the last week, so I know how to get hard like a diamond again. What if it's in your wallet on Coinbase? Well, Mission Impossible, if it's on Coinbase wallet, okay, you should still be able to access that anywhere. That is stored on the blockchain. If it is simply in your Coinbase account, okay, you don't actually own that on the blockchain. If Coinbase goes bankrupt, you've essentially lent that to them. Okay, they're in custody of your asset. If they go bankrupt, they're not going to pay you all your money back. If you're worried about that. If Coinbase gets hacked, right? I don't know if Coinbase is going to easily get hacked more easily than, your phone could get hacked. I'd say it's easier to lose your phone or whatever and lose your password than it is for Coinbase to get hacked at this point. But those are just some things that you got to think about if you're trying to decide between centralized and decentralized wallets, exchanges, and so on. Like I said, though, I've got stuff on Trust Wallet. I also have stuff on crypto.com. So, I got both at this point. I'm not concerned about crypto.com right now. If the cryptocurrency market turns up on its head again and seems to be drowning, yeah, I'll be a little concerned about a centralized business going down, dude. I wouldn't sell it just yet, Mission. Sit on it, if anything. Yeah, and like I say though, we don't know what kind of money you got either. If you rode from $800, I don't know when it was last year, up to the $2,400 that we're talking about for Ethereum right now, and all of a sudden you went from $10,000 to $40,000, or if you've got a lot of money sitting there and you're like, dang, dude, I really don't want to lose this. I don't want this to crash. Whatever. It's too much money for me to really worry about now. Shave some of it. Take it back down to $10,000. Take it back down to $15,000. You should not have invested literally what you're worried about, right? If you start to worry about it, man, I don't know, put it under your mattress. Sell it. Put it in your bank account. Do something that's not going to let you worry. Guys, we could spend our entire lives worrying about things, but I don't think we should. I think we should live our lives as stress-free as possible. You didn't grunt this time. Oh my God, dude. JJ, thank you I didn't even realize that I grunt doing it. JJ, thank you very much for the super chat. JJ says, Outdoor said you forgot to grunt. Forgot to grunt doing what? Getting hard? Like a diamond. Yes, JJ, man, thank you very much. Outdoor Smile, you little creep. I didn't even know that I grunted when I did that, so hopefully I did it right, and we're good to go now. So now we know that Outdoor pays way too much attention to the little details, guys. JJ just follows suit. JJ says, well, I guess Outdoor said that you didn't grunt that time, so... Oh, you guys are wild, man. You guys are wild. Outdoor Smile. Yeah, he says perfect. That's how you do it right there. Oh, God. Outdoor Smile spends way too much time getting hard like a diamond, I guess. Timmy! Thank you for the green name. And it's going to a good one. Yes, man. Yes. Nufo de Puto. Nufo, grabbing that green name. Nufo, man, I don't know if you're in here right now, but please say thank you to Tim if you are. If you're not, everybody else, please say thank you to Tim for throwing out that green name and making sure everybody in the chat except Justin Yang, Kenneth Belbin, Kombu, and Roulette Wheel have green names. The other guys are perma-grays. I don't know what's going on with that. Clipper up there, the spreadsheet on lunch. Posted in the Discord market chat. This dude, man, is looking good. 800. Guys, if you're... Frank, you don't have to tell us if you don't want to, man. You don't have to tell us if you don't want to. But, guys, I want you to know, right? Frank's making $824 a month in dividend income. I know that Frank is not sitting on some sort of $1 million portfolio or $100,000 portfolio. But if you had an extra $800 to $1,000 a month in income, that's the type of stuff that leads to financial security, financial freedom, and so on. Why? Because, dude, if you're no longer worried about paying your utilities and paying your bills, dude, that clears up a lot of stress in your mind that you can begin to innovate. If you can cover, and I mean 800 unless you're getting some studio somewhere, I highly doubt it's covering rent, but if you can cover your rent or your mortgage with your dividend income, all of a sudden, dude, you free up all of that you can use in your current job. And you can use it somewhere else to innovate or build a business that you're looking forward to. There's a lot that can come out of a portfolio like that, where you're ripping $824, and he's got it down to the cents, 16 cents a month in dividend income right there. I like that, dude. I like that a lot. And I believe that should be inspiring to a lot of people, that you can generate some very strong income on a well-diversified portfolio. And that doesn't include any of the capital gains. That doesn't include any options income. That doesn't include anything else, man. Those are the dividends that if you just close your eyes, don't do anything, that's the money you're bringing in. I'd venture to say, and I don't know for sure, but I'd venture to say that Frank might be able to bring in another several $100s a month simply selling options on his portfolio. He might limit some of his capital gains, but dude, strong income right there, and that really does do a lot to pad yourself, kind of give you the freedom to think about starting a side hustle or venture out into trying something that you've always wanted to try. Maybe you were constipated. Well, Gary, man, some people interpret it in one way and other people interpret it other ways. I don't know, man. You guys like the grunt, though, I know. I'm a student at a transition program, but also part-time heyday farmer, Disney and Chuck E. Cheese fan for your answer from the live stream yesterday. Gotcha. All right. So Kenneth loves part-time heyday farmer, Disney and Chuck E. Cheese fan for your answer. I like Chuck E. Cheese, dude. I do. I like old school Disney much. I don't actually like new school Disney, so I like old school Disney. Let's put it that way. New school Disney, no thank you. Old school Disney, thank you. But in terms of Chuck E. Cheese, dude, Chuck E. Cheese is better now, I think, than it was back then. Chuck E. Cheese now, they don't have like the ball pit and the tubes and stuff that you can go and play in. It's basically all games. But, dude, now they got it so you can go in there. You don't have to buy those tokens and worry about what you're spending your tokens on. You get unlimited play for like an hour, half hour, or whatever you want to do. So, I think that's a little bit better than it used to be way back in the day. Hey, bro. Nah, never mind. Frank, what do you think about Gorman Rupp? Oh, thank goodness. I'm glad he didn't ask me, man, because I don't even know what you're talking about there. AMZY was 21.15%. Moved to Netflix. Oh, yeah, dude. Netflix, the yield max with 54.21%. Little bit of a difference. Oh, yes, that is a little bit of a difference. Took a 0.36% loss to gain about a 2% dividend gain on the month and diversification. Very nicely done, Frank. So not only did he diversify his portfolio a little bit there, he took a 0.36% loss. All right, that's fine. But he increased his dividend pay by 2%. So where's the actual loss? He's making up for it already with the guaranteed dividend income right there. Commando Spawn, thank you very much for the super chat. Give us an honest apology on XRP. Is it a scam? Is XRP a scam? Is that what you're asking? No, I don't think that XRP is a scam. Right? Now, XRP is a centralized coin, right? XRP is really the closest thing to a security that you're going to be getting in the cryptocurrency world. And we've already had the SEC determine that the initial sale constituted a security, or the judge decided this. The initial sale constituted a security, but the secondary trading does not constitute a security. Now, I will say this, right? I truly believe that Ripple, the company, the international blockchain kind of intermediary, I believe that they are a legitimate business. Now, I don't know if being centralized like that, they have good intentions, bad intentions, and so on. Let's see. I meant analogy, not apology. Okay. I was like, dude, an apology. I didn't know I needed to apologize for XRP. Anyway, still going on, man. I'm giving you my thoughts on XRP here. I truly do think that XRP kind of acts like a bank. Or Ripple acts like a bank, I should say. Ripple allows businesses, banks, and so on to come together. And let's say I'm doing business with somebody in Europe. I got two choices, man. I can send money through a bank account, which could take the entire weekend. It could take 72 hours for my money transfer to clear. And the bank's going to charge me a lot of money in order to transfer that. Or I could use Ripple's XRP. And then I got to worry about exchange rates and all of that stuff if I'm using the bank there. Ripple's XRP, I simply go out, I buy some XRP, transfer it, immediate transfer, basically feeless transfer, and it arrives in that guy's account. That guy simply transfers it from XRP over to Euro, and he's good to go. Doesn't have to worry about fluctuating, yes, between the euro and the dollar, but not banks charging a higher interest rate or a higher exchange rate and so on. I believe that Ripple and XRP solve a problem. They make something bigger, faster, and stronger. But in terms of a centralized company, you always got to wonder, dude, if they're a scam or not. But I don't think that Ripple or XRP are scamming. I just think that they're a growing business at this point. And I think that, I think that the judge could have it right. You know, these guys raised a lot of money in order to further their business by selling XRP here. Chicken cheese stinks like dirty socks, cardboard pizza, and single parents. Yeah, but the kids have fun, though, Tim. The kids have fun. It might stink like all that stuff, but the kids do have fun. It smells like dirty cash and aged paper books. No idea what we're talking about right now. In my opinion, XRP will be the third world country's CBDCs. It's functional, inexpensive, and efficient. Yeah, that's a big possibility, too. Oh, man. I don't like CBDCs. I don't like these central bank digital currencies and all of that. I don't want the government having 100% control of anything. Okay? I really can't comprehend why somebody would want the government or anybody, any regulatory body, to have 100% control of everything. That's just stupid, man. That's why checks and balances exist. So if you believe that, that's very strange to me. But that's what they will have if we have a central bank digital currency there. With that being said, though, dude, businesses can use XRP. Businesses can compete. They can create other cryptocurrencies. XRP, though, having a very good first mover advantage in this space. So I agree with you, Tim. Other countries, smaller countries, they could use either XRP or something very similar to XRP. The rich get richer, to the poor get educated. Now, that's a quote I can get behind, Frank. Hey, Clay, what's your thoughts on Scapes Mania? I know it's a wild one, but who knows? Yeah, Silas, let's take a look at it. I don't know. I don't have any thoughts on it right now. I don't even know what it is. I don't know why I can't see it. Can't find it anywhere on CoinMarketCap here. Let's see what we got on Dex Tools. I do not know, man. I do not know why I can't get any info. So not only do I not know, I guess I'm not going to know about Scapes Mania, man. Where do you look it up? Where do you find info on it? Let's see. Tim having my own little one. Chicken cheese is a great hookup spot for single parents, man. Oh, boy. Parents are going out now to hook up with Chuck E. Cheese. Interesting. Banks already use XRP technology, but XRP not so. Commando Spawn. Yeah, not all banks use blockchain technology, though. There's a big difference in a public blockchain that is accessible and a private blockchain, or essentially an accounting ledger. So some banks maybe, but I don't think that you got too many commercial banks out there that are using public blockchains and decentralized. XRP is centralized, but public blockchains. Let's just leave it at that. Frank, that's why the government created public schools. Keep the peasants ignorant, man. Is that why the government created public schools? To keep it sick? That's not nice of them. Why the heck would they do that? Sick and I gotta work. I'm here just listening. Sick and I gotta work. Darn it, Dark Bro, man. Nobody likes, but what do you... You guys need to stop getting sick. You guys can't be getting sick from each other. This is all virtual. I know you guys aren't coughing on each other. So what the heck's going on? Dark Bro's sick right now. Let's just get it out of the way right now. Is anybody else in here sick? Just so I know. Tim, not feeling very well. J-Bones wasn't feeling very well a couple of, I think last week or 2 weeks ago. Pika was down and out for a while. Dark Bro, down and out right now. Anybody else sick at the moment? I'm feeling good. I want to know if you guys are feeling good or if you're feeling sick right now. I want 51 answers, man. I want to know how the bros are doing. Gary Kid said in chat, the butcher shot was way more productive for me. Oh my gosh, dude. How are you finding days at a butcher shop, Tim? What in the world? Michael is ick. Well, Michael's got the ick right now. Anybody else got the ick along with Michael? Peep sick from them Kim chat. They might be. Outdoor smile. They might be. Never know what these people got going on. Tim's all fixed up. Totally purged my system. Dude, Tim, if you conquered RSV in literally 24 hours, you're doing very well, man. You're doing very well. Although my niece did, she did recover from it pretty quick there. Bring on the Bim Bros. What is going on, SD? Glad to have you in here. Bim Bros, man. I see what he's doing there. He's got like Bimbos, but the Bim Bros, yes. Luke recovered the... Justin, man. Luke recovered the dip very, very nicely. Terra Luna Classic dipped all the way down to 9,000 points per coin, and it is back up to above 12,000 points per coin earlier. Let's see where it's at right now. Lunk. All right. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, Terra Luna Classic not doing bad at all. It was at 12,000 all day today. Terra Luna Classic recovering that dip, sitting at 13,600 points per coin right now. That is well above the 12,500 point per coin level of support that we have, and actually looking pretty good. On the daily there, you can see that it was a huge decline, taking you from 14,000 points all the way down. Dude, this doesn't even do it justice, man. It was really like 9,000 points per coin. Bouncing back up and floating in that 11 to 12,000 area. Now sitting at 13,600 points per coin. A very nice recovery for Terra Luna Classic. Bones good now. No more C word. I like it, J Bones. 3 of you guys answered me. Tim feels good, Michael's got the yick, and J-Bones is feeling better. Dark Bro's sick as well. At least Claybro's doing an honorary video. That will make me feel better. Yeah, I probably won't do it today, Dark Bro, but yeah, I guess I got no choice now but to make an honorary video. And once we get listed on CoinMarketCap, Matthew Perry will look into it. It's very, very nice. Matthew Perry is the man. Matthew Perry is a good dude. I like that guy. With Terra Luna Classic bouncing like that over the last couple of minutes, is Bitcoin ripping too? No, not necessarily. Bitcoin's still floating at that 44,400 mark, basically recovering everything from where it was yesterday. Look, right back up to this level, right back up to hitting fresh annual highs, right back up to a new 52-week high. Just, I mean, it's not at the 52-week high, but these levels, if we didn't have that trading day 2 days ago, yeah, we would be touching all-time high, not all-time highs, my gosh, annual highs or 52-week highs with Bitcoin's current price. $44,452 is a very, very strong price point on Bitcoin after a very heavy decline yesterday. That was erased in a matter of minutes, man. Right back up just as fast as it fell. You can look at the hourly chart here. 2 hours going from 45,200 all the way down to 40,600. And then it's right. I mean, it took a while. Well, it's right back up, dude, to that $44,000, almost $45,000 mark. So Bitcoin is looking pretty strong right there. That's one of the reasons why you've got such strength in Terra Luna Classic and the rest of the cryptocurrency market right now. Let's see. All right, thank goodness, dude, because I was like, that would be a very quick turnaround. I could do it. Now, I could do it. I want you to know that, Dark Bro. I could get that video. I could do the video right now as we're live. I mean, I could easily do the video. But I wasn't mentally prepared to do the video today. So I think it'll be a little bit better if I mentally prepare myself to do it in the short-term future here. Orders a 15-pound prime rib. She shoots me in the eyes. Little does she know it's my beef, and they owe it to me. Tim smiles. And what? Tim smiles at her and a fake rich farmer. Oh, jeez. All right. So this lady ordered, Tim, you're telling me this girl orders a 15-pound prime rib. She shoots you in the eyes. I don't even know what that means. Little does she know it's my beef and they owe it to me. There you go. Tim smiles and a fake rich farmer smile. I like it, Tim, man. He's got that. That's how you hook up at the butcher there. That's how you hook up at the butcher right there. Ladies and gentlemen, they need to make a movie about Tim. You don't see that too often. That's more of a Hallmark type movie, though. Guy comes into the butcher shop and saves the day. Little they didn't know that it's his cow that's getting sold there, but yes. Now I'm thinking, like, end of the week. Well, dude, it already is the end of the week, man. Already is the end of tomorrow's Friday, Dark Bro. Tomorrow's Friday. Close it one, take wonder. JB, it's true, dude. It's true. All of the videos are one take. no edits, literally just cut in that little intro, cut in that little outro, and that is that. So yes, it is a one-take wonder. And I guess when you've already uploaded 4,000 videos, I could close my eyes right now, dude. If I knew where to click, I know exactly what the graph of honorarium looks like, too. We've looked at it so many times in here. If I knew exactly where to click on the screen, I could do a video on honorarium right now with my eyes closed. Just that's how much I look at it, dude. It's crazy. But then I can't really edit it with my eyes closed either, because I don't know where to like cut it, where to scroll, and then how to click on the phone and do all that stuff. So yeah, it happens, and it does make it a lot easier to do that. Lady's going to Tim's Butcher Shop, and he asked them to give him some tongue, but we're talking about a cow's tongue there. Dude, do they sell cow tongue at the butcher? Oh, man. Oh, it sounds like something that I'm not interested in. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I'm so lost, my brain being sick right now. That conversation threw me for a loop. It is the end of the week, Dark Bro. Don't get that sick, man. We had some new people coming to the... Oh, my... What is happening right now? All right, let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh. Brian Searing! Thank you very much for the super chat. All right, Brian, listen, we can try to make this happen as well, okay? I will. I'm going to have to tell you right now, the same way that I told Dark Bro earlier, okay? I am going to have to put the little thing on the top left-hand side of the screen that says it's a sponsored video, since you guys are technically sending me super chats to do this video here. I can easily go over the coin market cap page and so on. Let me very quick. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's a huge super chat, dude. It's a huge super chat. Let's see. Jeez. Let me open up. Let me just see let me make sure that I can get this information. If I do run through their website or something, that it is on there. The essential multi-chain realm, uniting industries globally as we bridge traditional and crypto worlds seamlessly. Wow, they got a lot of compatible blockchains. All right, so here's kind of what I'm planning on that one, guys, because that's a huge super chat. That's absolutely ridiculous. Brian, man, thank you very much for that super chat right there. Let's see. So would it be? It's some Wanna type stuff right there. It really is some Wanna type stuff right there. Brian, what I would plan on doing then, same deal. I gotta click it as a sponsored video, all that stuff right there. Yes, I can mention honorarium. I can mention being a multi-chain token, you guys partnering and stuff like that. But would I mean, it's cool if I just go through and read. I really don't want to tell anybody. I can be bullish on it and all of that. I can have some nice undertones and everything. But I don't want to tell anybody directly, go out and buy this. Okay? I don't want to tell anybody to do anything with their money. That's still going to be their decision to do. But yes, I can go through I can read what's on the website, bring awareness to what they got going on, and highlight this multi-chain kind of functionality on PulseChain or PulseSwap. Now, I will say this. I'll try to call it PulseChain, okay? I will try to call it PulseChain, but also if I say PulseSwap, you know, I don't do these videos every day, so if I say PulseSwap instead of PulseChain, hopefully that's going to be okay. But you guys are absolutely wild, dude. Absolutely wild. Brian, thank you very much for that. And, yes, man, I am... Now you guys are going to make me busy. You guys are going to make me busy now. So, yeah, that's... it's going to happen. Brian Searing, man, it's going to happen. I know you've been sending a lot of super chats and stuff like that. It's going to happen. Now you guys are, I mean, we're going to make it happen at this point. Okay? I'm not going to tell anybody, though, and I know you've already sent the super chat, but I'm not going to tell anybody definitely go buy this. I'm not going to tell, like, that's still everybody's decision. But, you know, I can be bullish. I can highlight the strong points and bring awareness to what's going on. Make a video about Santa. Now, you guys stop with the super chats, all right? I'm not making videos about Santa. I'm not making videos about Elf on a Shelf. I'm not making videos about all of this stuff. But, I mean, what am I supposed to do, man? You sent a $300 super chat over. I got no choice at that point, man. I got no choice at that point. Oh, let's see here. Clibro, how do you feel about the IRS? Tim, anytime I tell you I love the IRS, you know I've been compromised. So I do not like the IRS. I don't know anybody who does like the IRS, but that is, we're not going to get into my full in-depth thoughts on the IRS for quite some time, until Dark Bro ticks me off about the IRS again. Oh boy, happy New Year, Clay Bro. True Nucle, man. Happy New Year to you as well. Glad to have you in here right now. Dark Bro says, I love the IRS. They make me all warm and fuzzy. Dark Bro's been compromised. We know this kid is very, very sick right now. Wait, Gus, thoughts on SHOT, man? I'm going to, listen, I don't know what SHOT is. Let's try to pull it up real quick. But I'm going to leave PulseChain up here on the screen here towards the end, man, because they just sent a $300 super. What is SHOT, dude? On the Algorand blockchain? We talking Algorand blockchain, or we talking something else here? Because I don't see SHOT anywhere right now. So I actually have no thoughts on SHOT if I can't find it right now. Made it back just in time. Geoped, that you did, man. Brian going absolutely crazy with that, man. He's going to be on the top of the screen for a very long time. And, oh my gosh. Clay Bro, thank you. I would never expect you to tell somebody to buy anything ever. Just informative video about it and cross-chain abilities. So, Brian, I am going to have to read through that in the Learn More section and all of that, or read through the documentation, whatever they got on it, so that I can summarize it and go through it there. But yes, dude, I will inform. That is a wild super chat. Don't shoot from the hip like that again, man. But I can't deny a super chat like that. That is absolutely crazy, man. Brian, that is the biggest super chat I've ever seen in US dollars. Back to the Future, man. That is a wild, wild super chat there. Hey, bro, the IRS is just a tool that our government uses to take our money to give it back for the greater good. Yep, Tim, that's what they do. That's what they do, man. They take our money and give it back for the greater good. You are correct on that. Oh, God. Just tried SHOT the product and it cured my hangover. I don't know if I'll make someone sober in 30 minutes. I don't know about the stock, though. Gus, I never even heard of this product, dude. Truly want to say thank you to the Paul community. Oh, you guys have done a support honorarium. Nice, man. Dark Bro loves who? Dark Bro loves Paul. Wanna sent yeah, somebody Wanna sent $4.99, I believe, one time. The max is 500 that you can send. Somebody sent like $4.99.99. So that is, I think Wanna sent that. It's the highest that you could possibly send in a single super chat. I've seen it, but yeah, that right there is insane. Yeah. But Outdoor Smile is correct. Outdoor Smile is correct on that. Click, one Lambo. Kisla, man. If these PulseChain people keep sending $300 super chats, I think we're going to PulseChain Lambo in a matter of no time. So, my goodness. She sent a bunch of them. I saw her send 400. That she did. You was sick, bro. Me? No, I'm not sick, man. Dark Bro is sick, not me. Guys, it is 5:01 right now. Let's get the heck out of here before these guys send some more super chats or anything wild like that. Get your name in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout outs. We will be back. You guys are definitely going to make me busy and keep me busy now. And I got to do some actual research on PulseChain and everything that's going on there. Honorarium I can do with my eyes closed. PulseChain I cannot do with my eyes closed. I think wanted to marry. You never know, roulette wheel. You never know, man. Oh my gosh. Anyway, it's super chat time, and then it's not super chat time. It's shout out time. You guys, Brian's got me going crazy right now. And then it is time to go. You get videos coming out at 7 p.m., videos coming out at 8 p.m., all that good stuff. The IRS is what keeps us peasants in line and makes sure our altruistic and generous rules unconditionally. He's right, man. Tim's speaking the truth. Don't listen to Tim right now. Dark Bro, shout out to you, man. Enjoy your evening. Geoped, Roulette Wheel, Dark Bro, see you later. Win, brother, enjoy it, man. Dark Bro, Outdoor Smile, Gizzle, we got Roulette Wheel, Geoped, Roulette Wheel, Tim, Master, Waverly, Martin, Justin, Geoped, Back to the Future, Brian, Searing, Clearbro, wouldn't want anyone but you making this video. Truly, thank you for all the info and the knowledge. Thank you, Brian, for everything, man. Absolutely appreciate that, dude. Crypto Rocketeer, boom, man, dabbing on him as always. DJ might have some good input or opinion. If you ever get in touch with him, ask him, Dark Bro. Now I really gotta go back on the land, make a video about how awesome Pudgy is. I'll be back soon. Pudgy is awesome, man. Pudgy is awesome. I'm gonna make a shout out right now directly to Pudgy and how awesome he is. Pudgy, you are awesome, man. Enjoy your day. Thank you very much for the super chat, Pudgy. I'll see you later, man. Enjoy your afternoon. We got Next Level Tim, True, Next Level, Back to the Future, Dark Bro, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that, man. There's nothing in it, but just a big old thank you. Outdoor Smile, appreciate it, dude. We got shout outs to Dark Bro Brian Searing again for being on the top of the screen for the next 3 hours. We got Geoped, Roulette Wheel, Outdoor Smile. Absolutely appreciate it, man. Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel, Next Level, Outdoor Smile, Next Level. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you. Pudgy. Nope, we're not leaving. I thought we were. Nope, we're not leaving. I thought we were. Nope, we're not leaving. Pudgy, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for the super chat. We got some shout outs going across the board to Geoped, Roulette Wheel, Outdoor Smile, Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel, Next Level, Outdoor Smile, Next Level, Pudgy, Gary, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.